We are back. There's Peric aka Beta Fadawa Borog, aka Beta, and he's from UNGD. Oh, if you guys want some t-shirts, just hit up Mav. Yep. Just hit up Mav. And there's Darren. What's up, bro? It's okay. You don't need to put that on, man. You don't need to put it on. Take it off. And then there's Runesh. TMS. Ifaitar. Tamask. Şunu kadar Tamask. Hilary Kimpe. Kimpe operator. No capstone. Il che cazzo si Pui Kimpe. Big bro Kimpe. I see you. Yep. And then we got the strawberry milkshake again. The first one is already gone. Then we got water. Yep.